Let's give some life to Toy Chica. I start by blocking the colors out. I make sure the base is covering my pencil sketch. It takes a couple of layers. Accidents happen and it could be painted over later, so don't worry about mistakes. I sketch out her pupils with a pencil to get an idea of the placement. I then go back over with blue paint to help cover the pencil. Now be super care. Fudge! Just keep going and wait for it to dry between layers. If the paint is still wet, you could clean it up with a wet paint brush. Just try to stay positive, nothing else could really go wrong. She is coming out so cute. I feel like this part really gives all her personality. Now to let it dry.
I didn't put any of that.
No way.
I am so upset with myself. I went around and did small touch-ups to her eyes. Either way, I am happy with how the eyes came out. She is so cute and pastel. She just needs a touch-up on her eyeshadow. Now my favorite part. This really brings life to her eyes. Thanks for watching.